Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to revise chapter Days to Celebrate. We all love celebrations. We have functions like birthdays, weddings, and anniversary. We have lots of fun at our functions. We also celebrate festivals. Festivals like Diwali, Eid, Holi, Christmas are religious festivals. And festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti are national festivals. National festivals like Independence Day, 15th August, is celebrated as Independence Day. On this day in year 1947, our country India became free and an independent country. The Prime Minister of our country hoists the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. He addresses the nation and gives a message to the people. 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. On this day in year 1950, India became republic. It means that our country got constitution. Constitution is a set of rules for the smooth running of country. The national flag is hosted at all the public places, offices and schools on this day. A parade is held in Delhi at Rajpath. The president of our country takes salute. Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was lovingly called Bapu. Special prayer meetings are held on this day, especially at his Samadhi at Rajghat in Delhi. Religious festivals like Diwali, Dashera, Eid, Guru Purab, Christmas. Diwali is a festival of lights. The festival celebrates the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. People decorate their houses with diyas and candles. They wear new clothes and exchange gifts. Children love bursting crackers, but this causes a lot of noise and air pollution. So, we should not burst crackers. Dashera. The festival of Dashera is celebrated by Hindus. This festival is a celebration of victory of good over evil. Huge effigies of Ravana with his brother Kumbhakarna and his son Meghnad are burned every year on this day. Eid ul Fitr, it is commonly called as Eid. It is celebrated by Muslims to mark the end of holy month of Ramzan. Special prayers are offered at mosques. People exchange gifts with each other. A special feast with sevia is served for all the friends and family. Muslims also celebrate Eid ul Zuha, that is Bakrid. बकरीद पर क्या करते हैं? दे सैक्रिफाइस अ गोट ऑन दिस डे. गोट को सैक्रिफाइस किया जाता है. नाउ गुरु पुरब. Sikhs celebrate the birth of Sikh gurus as Guru Purab. Huge processions are taken out on this day, that is नगर कीर्तन निकाले जाते हैं. Prayers are offered at गुरुद्वाराज में कीर्तन होता है, शबद कीर्तन. Kirtan is sung and a special meal called langar is served to everyone. Christmas. On 25th of December every year, Christians celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ as Christmas. Christmas पर क्या होता है 25th जनवरी को? Jesus Christ का birthday होता है. Yes. People attend midnight mass at church and sing carols. लोग चर्च में रात को कैरल्स गाते हैं, सॉन्ग्स गाते हैं और प्रेयर्स करते हैं और सारे इकट्ठे होते हैं. इट इज़ बिलीव दैट ऑन दिस डे सेंटा क्लॉज ब्रिंग गिफ्ट फॉर द चिल्ड्रन. ये माना जाता है कि इस दिन सेंटा क्लॉज जो है बच्चों के लिए गिफ्ट्स लेकर आते हैं. ईस्टर आर ऑल्सो सेलिब्रेटेड बाय द क्रिश्चियंस. सम अदर फेस्टिवल्स लाइक होली इज़ अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर्स. इट सेलिब्रेट्स द अराइवल ऑफ स्प्रिंग सीजन. Janmashtami celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna. Raksha Bandhan celebrates the love between brother and sister. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist. Goddess Durga is worshipped on Durga Puja. Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Farmers thank the Lord for the beautiful harvest. Tej celebrates the arrival of monsoon season. Now, I have explained you whole chapter. Now we will discuss some questions, fill-ups, etc. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of love between brother and sister. Children play with colors on Holi. Republic Day is a national festival celebrated in the month of January. Pongal festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Every year 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. Function we celebrate with our family is Diwali or our birthday. National festival celebrated on 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti. The festival to worship Goddess Durga is Durga Puja. The festival to mark birthday of Sikh Gurus is Gurpurab. I decorate my home with diyas on Diwali. I eat langar with my father on Gurupurab. I wait for Santa to bring me gifts on Christmas. I have flag hosting in my school on Independence Day. I will go to see Ram Leela, Dussehra. I greet everyone Eid Mubarak on Eid. Thank you everyone. This was all for today.